Now this is the complete hardware circuit of the project. Uh, this is the rain sensor module, soil moisture sensor module. Here we have two samples of soil, dry soil and wet soil. Here we use an AC lamp which acts as a pump motor, a single channel relay module that is connected with Arduino, a 5-volt connection. All 5-volt connections are marked with red wires and the ground connections are done with black wires. The orange wires representing the signal pins. One is connected to digital pin 2 of the soil moisture sensor is connected to pin number 2 of the Arduino. The rain sensor is connected with pin number 6 and the relay module is connected with pin number 7. Actually, the Arduino, both the sensor received the signal as an input and the relay module is acting as an output. Now I will power up the circuit and then explain all the 3 steps of its operation. The first step, as I mentioned in the word format, when there is no rain and the soil is moist, then pump motor will be off. This is the first step. Now there is no rain, you can see the rain sensor is dry and soil is moist. Now I have to moist the soil. Now the soil is moist, then the pump motor will be off. You can see here there is no rain, the soil is wet and the pump motor is off. Now step number 2, when it rains and soil is moist or unmoist, then pump motor will not operate. Now here you can see the soil is moist, but when there is a rain, now I will throw water on the rain sensor. You can see here pump motor turned on and the soil is moist. If the soil is moist or unmoist during rain, the pump motor will be off. This is the condition of step number 2. Now step number 3. Now I will dry the rain sensor. Step number 3, when no rain and soil is dry. When no rain and soil is dry, then pump motor will be on. Now there is no rain and the soil is dry, then pump motor is on. If I change it to wet, when the soil become moist, then pump motor will turn off. This is the complete tutorial of this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then hit like the subscribe and thumb button. Thanks for watching.